From the moment you unbox the Ooni Koda 16, you'll notice how every element of its construction is engineered for both performance and simplicity. The oven's robust, powder-coated carbon steel exterior not only looks striking with its matte black finish, but also serves as a durable shield against the elements. This means you can confidently leave it outdoors between uses without worrying about corrosion or wear, making it an ideal fixture for your patio or backyard kitchen. The oven's footprint is generous enough to accommodate a 16-inch pizza, which is a significant upgrade from many portable pizza ovens that cap out at 12 inches. This added space allows you to experiment with larger pies, family-style pizzas, or even multiple smaller flatbreads at once. At the heart of the Ooni Koda 16 is its innovative L-shaped gas burner, which is a game changer for home pizza making. Unlike traditional single-point burners, the L-shaped design distributes flames along two sides of the oven, enveloping your pizza in a consistent, high-intensity heat. This allows for exceptional edge-to-edge cooking, minimizing the need to constantly rotate your pizza to avoid hot spots. You'll notice how the crust puffs up and blisters within seconds, achieving that signature Neapolitan-style char that's so difficult to replicate in a conventional oven. The stone baking board, made from thick cordierite, absorbs and radiates heat evenly, ensuring the base of your pizza is crisp and firm with just the right amount of chew. Ease of use is something that's frequently praised in Ooni Koda 16 reviews. The gas ignition system is intuitive and reliable. Simply connect your propane tank, turn the dial, and press the ignition. Within 20 minutes, the oven is ready to cook at temperatures that rival professional pizza ovens, reaching up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius. This rapid preheating is particularly satisfying if you're hosting guests or managing a hungry family, as you can churn out pizzas in just 60 to 90 seconds each. The temperature control dial gives you precise command over the flame, which is invaluable if you want to experiment with different pizza styles or even try your hand at baking bread, roasting fish, or charring vegetables. You'll quickly discover that the oven's versatility extends far beyond pizza, making it a true outdoor cooking powerhouse. Portability is another thoughtfully designed aspect. Despite its substantial cooking area, the Koda 16 weighs in at just over 40 pounds, making it manageable to lift and reposition as needed. The three sturdy foldable legs provide stability on a variety of surfaces, from picnic tables to outdoor countertops, and tuck away neatly for storage. This mobility means you can easily bring the oven along for camping trips, tailgates, or family gatherings, transforming any outdoor space into a gourmet pizzeria. As any Ooni Koda 16 review will tell you, the open front design of the Koda 16 is both practical and engaging. Watching your pizza cook in real time is not only fun, but also gives you a tactile sense of control. You can turn the pizza with a peel, check on the bubbling cheese, and pull it out at the exact moment it reaches golden perfection. The wide mouth makes it easy to maneuver large pizzas or cast iron pans, and the absence of a door streamlines the whole cooking process. Maintenance is refreshingly straightforward. The cordierite stone can be brushed off between bakes, and any drips or crumbs can be swept out through the oven's open front. The gas burner system is designed for reliability and safety, with minimal components that require attention. This means you'll spend more time enjoying your food and less time cleaning up afterward. Using the Ooni Koda 16 also becomes a social experience. The speed and theater of high-heat pizza making naturally draw people in, turning dinner into an interactive event where everyone can customize their own pies and watch them cook in under 2 minutes. The aroma of dough, crisping, and cheese bubbling over an open flame is irresistible, and the ability to produce pizzeria-quality results at home is genuinely empowering. In summary, the Ooni Koda 16 is much more than a pizza oven. It's a thoughtfully designed, high-performance outdoor cooking tool that brings the joy and artistry of pizza making into your everyday life. Its combination of rapid heat up, ample cooking space, precise flame control, and ease of use makes it a standout choice for anyone who loves great food and wants to share it with others. Every feature is engineered to help you create memorable meals with minimal hassle, whether you're a pizza purist or an adventurous home chef exploring the full range of what high-heat cooking can offer. And with that said, I really hope that my Ooni Koda 16 review was helpful.